Today I am creating a text effect in Canva. So let's go to Canva and take a size as you want. Then go to text, add a text. Choose your text as you want. I want this word river and go to font, select untone, increase the size and change the text color to white. And go to effects, take lift effects, copy and this process for just bright this shadow. Okay, now download this page, png, download and upload this image. Okay, then go to elements, select this and delete, search river, or if you want your own picture you can use your picture. So I will use this Canva photo. Go to photos and take this photo. Okay, go to uploads, take this photo, then go to apps, search this blend image, enter, choose this apps and select this text image, use selected image top layer and then select this river image, bottom layer, use selected image and blend mode, multiply, then add to design. Set this size and here is the final result. Thank you.